It starts to border on the realm of voodoo.
I was just like, here's where.
I'm curious as to what is just in terms of
Like a fantasy world inhabited by mannequins.
okay.
They have really weird shit all the time.
And that does answer my question, though. I was going to wonder, like, how do you make one? I.e.,
Well, I made one out of paper, but this looks like this is porcelain. So they must have done it.
But the wire is like I was thinking about the joints. That was where I was trying to figure it out.